Hi there, welcome to this great video. I'm Lucy from Online Income Success, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a website from scratch. I'm going to show you exactly how to make a website in less than 15 minutes. Simple and easy. I'm sure you've never imagined that you could get your very own professional website up and running in no time, and just by clicking some buttons, with no coding at all and zero experience required. Just follow along this simple 5-step journey, and by the end of this video, you will be the proud creator and owner of your brand new awesome looking website. So, let's start making your new website. Better yet, after watching this video, you will be able to make any kind of website by using drag and drop. So you can even start offering your services as a website designer and begin making money today from any place in the world. To begin this simple 5-step process, we must go to our URL bar and type in the address 5stepwebsite.com and hit enter. And it will take you to this page. This website is the starting point that will lead us into a quick 5 steps website creation. You will see how helpful it will be. Okay, so step 1 is to get hosting and a domain. Hosting is the place where your website will be stored so people can access it online. And domain is the name of your website, or more exactly, is your website's address. For example, Amazon's domain name is amazon.com. YouTube's domain name is youtube.com. And similarly, Google's is google.com. Therefore, you will need to think of a domain name for your website. So, to get your hosting and domain, we can start off by clicking on this Go to Step 1 button on this 5-step website, and then just click on this orange button to get the web hosting and a free domain. Now, what we want to do here is to access the special deal that this 5stepwebsite.com is offering for web hosting and domain. So to access the deal, you're just going to enter your name on the first field, and then enter your most important email address on the second field, and then click on the orange button to get the hosting and free domain deal. This will load a discount for you and then automatically take you to Bluehost. Bluehost is the best website hosting provider company out there. I use and recommend Bluehost because they are the best and most reliable option. They offer expert customer support 24/7 and in all of the main languages, so you can get help from an expert in your native language. They've got all of the required tools you will ever need to build any kind of website, simple and easy. And as you see here, after you enter your name and email on the website 5stepwebsite.com, it has gotten for you a pretty cool discount to save you some money. You will get a free domain and over 60% off your hosting, along with many other pluses that I will show you later. And pay close attention, because in a few minutes I will be showing you a great unknown trick that can get you an even better deal and will make you save even more money today. So to get that, let's click on the Get Started button. On this page, just select the basic hosting plan, which is perfect for a new website. Click the green Select button. Now we will set up your domain. Here you have 3 options. The first option is to create a new domain now by entering it here and click Next. Or you can use one that you already own by entering it here and click on this Next button. Or you can also skip this step and create a domain later, which is perfectly fine, and you can continue and complete this process without any problem. So let's say you want to create a new domain. So for this video, I'm going to enter my business website and with the extension .com and click Next. Sometimes the domain you enter is not available, so you're going to have to come up with a different name and then try again here. So you can try a variation of the name. For example, I will change it to mybusinessprowebsite.com and click Next again. And now you can see the top message that this domain name is available. So we can move forward to filling out this information below. First, you will fill out your account information, which is just your personal data. Now, like I said before, I'm going to show you how you can get an even bigger discount on the offer you already have. Basically, what you gotta do is to pretend as if you were going to close this window by moving your mouse over the X of the window or over the X of the tab. And once you do that, you're going to get a special sign up offer pop-up that is giving you additional savings if you sign up today. So now you see that it has gone all the way down to $265 a month. And all you have to do to get that is to click on the green Claim Savings button. And if you scroll down, you see on package information that the account plan has lowered down to $265 a month. And you're getting your domain registration for free, and you're also going to get a free SSL or security certificate. Now, I suggest you take advantage of this extra offer immediately because it's just going to show up one time. Now let's scroll down, and for packages extras, you can uncheck all of the boxes that you don't want. None of them are required to complete the process, but I do recommend to choose to protect your domain privacy. It's an important feature, but as I said, it is not required. So I will just click on turn it off and keep on unchecking all of the packages extras. So you can leave all of the extras blank as I will do for this example. Now scroll all the way to the end of the page to complete the payment information. You can pay by credit card, or you can click on more payment options and they offer you an alternative to pay with PayPal. For this example, I will just fill out my credit card information. Now keep on scrolling down and click to agree the terms of service. And to complete the purchase, just click on the submit button. So now we've completed the payment and we've got our domain and hosting. And we want to know how it went. So be sure to leave a comment below this video with the name of the website you have created so it can be featured on our next video. Okay, so don't go without leaving your comment. If you scroll down, you will see your receipt information, which you can also download by clicking on this link. Now to continue the process, you can come back and click on the blue Create Account button. Then on this new page, you are going to create an account. To do so, you just have to enter your domain name. So we just have to come up with a good strong password to enter in both boxes. Once you have your password ready and entered, it is important you make note of that password because you are going to need it to log into your account. Then check the terms of service box, and after that you can just click on the Create Account button. Okay, great, your account is ready to go. And now just go ahead and click on the blue Go to Login button. Now on this page, you want to log into the account that you just created. To do so, just enter your domain name, and then you must enter the password that you created, and then click on the Login button. Now Bluehost is going to invite you to answer some questions about your website, but we're going to set all of this stuff up later inside WordPress. So you can simply go down here to the bottom of the page and click on the Skip This Step link. And keep on going down and click on Skip This Step link again. Okay, let's skip this also because we're going to set it up, as I said before, later on. Go all the way down and click on Skip This Step link. On this point, as you see here, Bluehost is installing WordPress for you, and that's only going to take a couple of seconds. Once this installation has completed, you will be taken to your Bluehost account dashboard, where you see you have successfully set up your website. Now let's go to step 2, which is log into WordPress. WordPress is a free content management system. In other words, WordPress is a tool that makes it very easy to build a website without doing any coding at all, and what is best, Bluehost automatically installs WordPress on your website so you don't have to do it yourself. Now, do you see why Bluehost is so great? I love it. To log into WordPress, click the blue WordPress button from your Bluehost dashboard. And this will take you to your WordPress dashboard. From here you can edit and control your website. And this is going to be the page that you see every time you log into your WordPress site. Now, by this point that you are on your new WordPress dashboard, it means that your website is already set up. To check out what your website looks like, you can go to the upper menu bar and click on the welcome message that also has a little house icon, to then click on the visit site option. And this is how it looks by default. But in just a couple of minutes, we're going to turn this into a professional looking website. Now, before we get into the next step, if you're enjoying this video, then go ahead and click the like button. Your like supports this video to reach and help more people with their website creation. Okay, thanks for that like. Now back to the tutorial. So next, step 3 is to install a new theme. To easily edit our website, we're going to install a new theme. And the theme that I recommend is called Astra. I prefer Astra because it has dozens of free designs for you to choose from. So to install the theme, let's click on the upper menu option that says Welcome and click on the Themes option. Here, just go all the way down and find the Add New Theme button to click on it. Let's scroll down again, and on the search box, let's type Astra. So we're going to install this theme. You can move your mouse over the theme and just click the Install button. Wait a second while it's installing. When it has been successfully installed, then you will see the Activate button and you click on it. And there you go, your new theme has been activated. And now, to get the free designs that come with this theme and to be able to easily customize our website, we need to install the plugin that comes with the theme. To install that plugin, we click on the Plugins menu option located on the left panel, and then click on the option Add New. Now here you scroll down and search again for the plugin Astra. And scroll a little bit down, and now click on the Install Now button and activate. Now we're taken to this new page. For the page builder, we select Elementor to easily edit the design. Now, to see the free designs, we click on the filter option where it says All and then select Free. Now here there are all kinds of free designs for all types of websites, so you can carefully scroll through them and choose the design that best matches what you want to make of your website. Whatever design you pick, the process to edit it is the same as the other ones, which is very easy. You can preview any template to see how it looks just by clicking over it, and it will show up the different looks it has for the main pages like Home, About Us, and this one has amenities, also has pricing and contact template form. And after you selected the one you like, you can apply that template to your site by just clicking Import Complete Site button. Your selected website is being imported. You can leave the check marks as they are and then click on Import, and this will take a couple of minutes. Now, once the import is complete, you can view your new website. Just click on the View Site button. So now the design and the demo content has been imported into your site, and this is how it looks like now. And you can see these other pages that also have demo content. For example, let's choose About Us. So now you see that your website is looking very professional already. So once you got the design into your website, we can now move forward to the next step. And before we continue, I hope you're finding this video useful. And if you are, then please, if you haven't already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips, tools, and tutorials for building your successful internet income. In other words, subscribe if you like money. And also hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when we upload a new video on website optimization and everything about making money online. Thanks again for your support. Okay, back to business. So, step 4 is to edit your website. And this is going to be even easier than the previous steps. You just have to open the page you want to edit and start making the changes right away. For example, if you want to change something on the home page, we just go to the page and click Edit with Elementor right on the top menu. To change any text, just select the text that you want to change and start typing. You can change the text on a button in the same way. Just click over the text and start typing. You can also change the color of your button. Just go to the left panel and you see all of the options available to customize the button the way you want it to. For example, we can change the color on the Style tab and background color. Let's turn this into red. You can also change the text color. Let's make it black. As you see, it's really easy. Now, if you want to change the background image, you can just right-click over the background and select Edit Selection option. You can change the layout, and on Style, as you see here, your background can be an image, a gradient color, a video, or even a slideshow. Now, if you want to change the background image, you can just hover over this thumbnail and click on Choose Image. You can upload files from your computer, you can select from their media library, and you can even directly import free images from Pixabay that are completely copyright free. And let's choose this image, click on Save and Insert. And there you go, you have a new background image. You can now just click on the Update button to save the changes. Now click on this icon to go back and click on the View Page option to exit this editor and see how your page is going. And that's how easy it is to edit any page of your website. Okay, and now you're going to see how easy you can change the header and the footer area of your website. So in order to do that, you must click on the upper menu option that says Customize. Now you see that there are some new blue pencil icons. If you want to change this logo, just click on the blue pencil icon. And then a new left panel shows up where you can make any changes to your logo. You can click on Change Logo and upload your own logo. Or if you don't have a logo, you can click on Remove and click on Publish to exit this editor and see the changes. Now, to edit the footer, which is what appears on the bottom part of your website, you can simply go to the upper menu, hover your mouse over Edit with Elementor, and click on Footer. And as you see, the blue pencil icon shows up again, so you can just edit whatever you want on this section by clicking over it and start typing. You can also select anything you want, right-click over it, and delete it. When you're done, you can click on the Update button to save the changes. Then click on the three bars icon and click on View Page to see the changes and exit the editor. And now that is how easy it is to edit the footer of your website. And now I'm sure you're going to want to add a new page to your website. And it's also very simple. To do so, just click on the New option on the top menu and select Page. We can close this and then add a page title. Then go up to the blue button that says Edit with Elementor. So to add content to the page, you can simply drag and drop elements from the left panel onto the page. For example, let's add a title and select the heading element. Now to keep adding more content to this page, you can click on the three bars icon to go back to the Elements page, and then again here, and now you can just drag and drop more elements into your page. For example, you can choose to add an image. You can choose the image. As before, you can upload your own files, you can select from the media library, and you can also choose free images from Pixabay. Let's try the media library and select this picture. Click on Insert Media. And there you have your picture. Once you're happy with the result, you just click Publish to save the changes. And click on Have a Look. And that's how easy it is to add a new page to your website. And you'll probably want to add this page or any page to the top menu so people can get to it easier. So to do that, click again on Customize on the upper menu bar. And now from the left panel, choose the option Menus. And from the menus, choose Top Nav, which is your primary menu. Now click on the Add Items button to add a page. Then click on the page that you want to add from this list on the right. And as you see here, your page will be automatically added to the menu. So you can reorder the items in the menu if you want, just by clicking over the item, holding and using drag and drop. You can also remove any pages from the menu that you don't want by clicking on the X button. Then, once you're done, you can click on the upper blue button, Publish, to save changes, and click the X to exit the editor. And there you have, your main menu has been updated. And with this, you now know how to edit every part of your website. Now we've come to the final step. Step number 5 is to launch your website. Because right now your website is displaying a coming soon page to visitors. So to launch your website and make it live, just click on the upper coming soon active button and then click on this launch your site blue button. Congratulations, your site is now live. Let's click on view site. And there you go. You are now the proud owner and creator of a new, really great looking and professional website. And also be sure to check the inbox for the email address that you entered when you created your Bluehost account, because you will receive a very important email from Bluehost that you need to open, read, and click to verify your email address. With this, you have successfully verified your Whois contact information. But wait, there's more. If you want to discover all of Instagram's powerful tools that can help your company's visibility and sales skyrocket, then be sure to click and watch this next video right away. With that being said, thank you for watching and see you on the next video.